get into this shit, man. Let's get into this shit. Alright. So. So today we're going to cover candlesticks. So what is a candlestick? Well, you have three sections. You have a body and you have a wick. Essentially, most traders see candles as colors. Professionals see them as information. Every candle is literally a battle between buyers and sellers. So right here I've drawn up a little bit, and we're just going to go over the high of a candle, the low of a candle, the body of the candle, the close, the open, and how they move. So looking at this, you might think, what is this telling us? Well, here you can tell that buyers are in control. Buyers start to lose control because the body moves like this, hits here, and that creates the highest point of the move, which creates a wick. Once price starts to reject that and come down, we get left with this wick. Shows us the highest position that the body of the candle once was, and it also shows us the lowest position of which this body was. So let's go to let's have a look on the charts here. Let's quickly look at the 1 minute and just watch how price is currently moving. Let me go on to Nasdaq. Nasdaq looks a little better. Alright, see, candle just opened. No wick to the upside. Price starts pushing it up. Now there's a wick to the upside. This is currently buyers and sellers fighting for position within the market. But a bullish candle, right, a green candle going up, doesn't just mean price went up. It means buyers controlled that period of time. Because although that this is going up, it starts to die off a little bit. And then once it gets a little control, it sweeps these and then starts to continue lower. Right? Just because you have so many bullish candles doesn't mean that it's going to continue bullish. It can just, like here you go, like this. We open here, price rallies all the way up. Oh, we open here, price rallies down, price rallies up, comes here and closes. This is the open, this is the close. This is the highest position of the candle, this is the lowest position of the candle. This is what price is telling us. Right, so right here you'd think, oh, this is going to go up. Boom, we get a bearish candle. with a low wick. Then we get another one. Then we get a high one. A high wick coming down, and that continues that down. Who's in control here? Sellers are in control here until they stop being in control and buyers start to take. A strong body equals conviction, right? A strong body tells us that the market knows where it wants to go. A long wick means rejection. Price tried to come up here, failed, and came back down. And a small body, let me try and find a small body. We call them doji, dojis. So here is one. Here's two actually. Here's one here. Here's another one. Dojis mean indecisiveness within the market. So what is this telling us right now? We have a bullish candle, now a bearish candle. Now we get a doji. What does this tell us? That the market is indecisive about if it's going to continue lower or continue higher. In this case, price came up and then instantly came back down, just to go back up. Indecisive, indecisive, indecisive. These candles here tell us that the market, that nobody is in control of these points. Buyers are not in control, and neither are sellers. Buyers are trying to push it up, sellers are pushing it down. And that creates these candles. And price doesn't really know what to do, it's indecisive about it. But let's talk about momentum. So now that we've covered now let's talk about the next step of this, which is momentum. Right? How do we know that a candle is going to have momentum? Well, see how these candles, let me go to a good example. Let me go into a really good example here. There we go. On the 1 hour. See how these candles have barely any retrace except for here, where price comes up, fills this gap, and then continues higher. This is momentum. This means we're in an uptrend, which we'll talk about in the next video. But what is this telling us? This is telling us that we have super strong buying pressure. Super strong buying pressure. Would you wanna short this and target that while in this type of movement? Of course not. Because if you go to the 1 minute, why would you want to do that? Price comes down, retraces, then absolutely rallies. Your entry would have been the 1 hour just made it thing. Are you making money today? Definitely not. So momentum tells us, boom, here we go, here's more momentum. Come down, boom, boom. Oh, that's the wrong fucking thing. Momentum bump. Oh my god, I'm doing it again. There's my drawing. Boom, 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 boom. Price is moving down. Right here, what is it doing? Price is coming up. Price starts to lose momentum. Price regains momentum. Price fills something within this area of the market, then continues higher. This whole move here actually is just up, 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 up. And this tells us that we're likely going to continue this. And in fact, we do. And in fact, we do. So buyers here tried pushing higher, failed, then sellers completely took control and it dumped. Same thing with this. Sellers take control here, then buyers take control here, and that creates the market to move up. Almost like the market will never stop moving in up and downs. The market will always move. And the best example I can do this is if we do line. Look at that. Down, up, down, up, down, down, up, 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 down. So the market moves like this. That is genuinely, that's pretty much it. So candles alone won't make you profitable, but if you can't read candles, you'll never truly understand price delivery. Aye, aye. Oh my god, what the bro, do I know how to type? Okay. Candles alone won't make you profitable, but if you can read candles, you'll never, but if you can't read candles, you'll never truly understand price delivery. So hop in the charts, find a few dodgies, see how price reacts off of that, which is, you know, just the market telling us that it doesn't know where it wants to go. Find a few dodgies. I want you to find strong closes, little wicks. I want you to find massive wick with small close and see how price reacts off of that. And then I want you to find a candle with either one wick or no wick at all, like that. Once you've done that, you can move on to step numero uno.